Pachipamwe. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to ask people what they are doing. My nephew dreads it every single time when I ask him Urikuitei, because then he has to tell me what he is doing in Shona. Urikuitei means, what are you doing? Urikuitei is the informal form because he is younger than me. If I was to ask my mother, on the other hand, what she is doing, I would say Murikuitei. Murikuitei. So, what are you doing? Here's some things that you could possibly be doing. For my nephew, he could be playing with the ball outside. Ndiri kutamba nebhora panze. Ndiri kutamba nebhora panze. Ndiri means I am, kutamba, playing, nebhora, with the ball, panze, outside. Ndiri kutamba nebhora panze. My mother might answer, Ndiri kubika. Ndiri, as you already know, means I am. Kubika means to cook. Ndiri kubika means I am cooking. What other things could a person possibly be doing? Ndiri kunyora. I am writing. Ndiri kunyora. Ndiri kuverenga. I am reading. Ndiri kuverenga. Ndiri kuona TV. I am watching TV. Ndiri kuona TV. Ndiri kudya. I am eating. Ndiri kudya. Ndiri kugeza. I am taking a bath. Ndiri kugeza. So, what are you doing? Urikuitei. Let me know in the comments below. If you don't know the words or the vocabulary of what it is you are doing, ask me and I will let you know. Very likely, urikuona YouTube. You are watching YouTube. Urikuona YouTube. You are watching YouTube. So, what else are you doing besides watching YouTube? Let us know in the comments below. Tonan.